Hey Vintage Beauty, so I am about to reveal this wig that I ordered from KLA. I'm gonna put it in the description because I don't know how to pronounce it. I mean, I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. So first impressions of this wig, I'm not really impressed. They all have this like #2 color. You know what, I won't say I'm not really impressed. I was a little disappointed based on the pictures. I feel like the pictures tried to present the wig as something that we're not getting. So I feel like these influencers who partner with them get the best of the wigs to get us to purchase them, and then we kind of get the cheaper, low budget version of the wig. Hair is soft, smells like every wig you can get from the beauty supply store. Like it's nothing super special about it. From this, it's not bad, it's soft. I don't know how much it sheds because I haven't wore it yet. It's supposed to have the transparent lace. Now the one thing I do love about this wig is it has that fake scalp look in the inside. So if you look at that, this is that fake scalp look. So I technically do not have to wear a wave cap because it has, you know, that fake scalp look, but I'm putting one on anyway to protect my hair. So that is one thing I do like. Let's put her on. I'm not going to show you how I cut it because I'm not that good at it, and I almost don't want to cut it because I don't want to damage the lace, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So this is how she looks on. You see what I'm saying? Like, I feel like I've had this wig before. It's nothing special. You know what I need to get me? A pressing comb so I can melt the lace. The curls are nice and soft, so I like the curl pattern. I just feel like it's nothing special going on. Now, this is how it separates. Y'all, I don't know if these are supposed to be bangs or baby hair. I don't know what baby have hair like this and what bangs are this thin. So I don't understand this situation right here. Maybe that's where you glue it or something. I don't know. I don't even know if I want to glue it because I want to have access to my natural hair. So we will see. It also came with these things that I thought were like bra straps. My bad, guys. I have absolutely no idea what to do with this. Came with 2 of them and then these little attachments right here. I don't know what to do with that, y'all. I guess it's to, my bad, y'all. I guess it's to kind of tighten it. It's fitting snug and secure on my head. I did order a small. That's the one thing you can pick, the wig cap size. I ordered a small. I believe this is 150% density. So this is how it is. I think this is like a 16-inch or something. I don't know, but this is the wig. I am going to cut it and then show you how it looks once I come back. I don't have a pressing comb, so it's supposed to be kind of ready to wear. I see how they tried to do like a natural hairline, but to me they didn't. Okay, so I'll be back. So I must say, Vintage Beauties, I really like this wig. I didn't even glue it down, and look how good it looks. All I did was take the blow dryer to it to smooth it out up here so it wouldn't look all bunched up, and it's laying really nicely. It's laying really nicely. So this wig is an A+. No glue. I'll be able to nourish my natural hair. All I did was put some finishing powder right here, and then I you know, I put it a little on the edges around here. But this wig is a winner. Winner chicken dinner. Speaking of chicken dinner, I think I want some chicken for dinner. So I'm liking the wig way more. It is easier to apply. It is easier to deal with. It's not hard to lay the lace. It's not hard to do anything. You know what I'm saying? We don't have access to beauticians like that anyway, or we shouldn't, because you know some people do what they want. So this is really great for us who are beginners with wigs, or we may not be beginners, but we just walk out the house like, what, say something. Anyway, I love this wig. So out of a 10, I'm gonna give her a 9, just because I don't like the fact that it comes that brown. I want a jet black wig, and they didn't even have that option. They just had the natural color option, so I would have to dye it myself. The curls are soft. It's not a lot of shedding going into it. I would have to give it a 1 week I would have to give it a 1 week update, because you know I'll wear my wig all week. But here she goes. Babe, what do you think?
That's good, babe.
Y'all heard him? He finally said something for real. He said it looks good on you, babe. Thanks, love. So,
I'm patriotic, you big jarhead. And you listen to me. Coach Strong is into me.
if you haven't already, go check out my Boogie's 1 year birthday video. I love him so much. He's my little Bubba, our little surprise. He's our surprise and joy. Anyway, Vintage Beauties, I am giving this wig an A+. Y'all stay beautiful. Y'all stay blessed. Until next time, it's your girl, Vintage Sister. Peace and blessings. Deuces.
Remember that.
Oops.